Hello students, we have to continue with inflorescence. Today we will study types of racemose inflorescence. Okay, so before starting this, first we will discuss what you mean by the term peduncle. Pedicel is there and peduncle. Pedicel, you know, it is the flower stalk, like suppose this is flower, so this is the pedicel. Okay, and if pedicel is absent, then the flower is known as sessile, and when stalk is there, it is known as pedicel or pedicellate flower. Pedicellate flower and sessile flower. Sessile flower when this is absent. This is sessile flower and this is pedicellate flower. Now, what do you mean by the term peduncle? Students get confused between peduncle and pedicel. So, what is peduncle? It's वो ब्रांच, मतलब मेन स्टेम है, मेन स्टेम से वो ब्रांच जो जा रही है, जो होल्ड कर रहा है पेडिसल्स को. मेन स्टेम है, उससे ब्रांचेस जा रही है और वो पेडिसल्स को होल्ड करते. पेडिंकल्स जो रहते हैं किसको होल्ड करते हैं? पेडिसल्स. पेडिंकल होल्ड्स पेडिसल. The stem or branch from the main stem of the inflorescence that holds a group of pedicels is called peduncle. Okay, holds pedicel is known as peduncle. Okay, so let's start with types of racemose. First we will start with category. Two categories are there. First is main axis shortened. Main axis shortened. First we discuss elongated. Elongated. Main axis shortened. Main axis. So three categories. Okay, three categories. Now we will discuss main axis elongated. So main axis elongated, in this first we will study typical raceme. So what is typical raceme? It is a blueprint, or you can say it is a Xerox of racemose. Okay, I will show you with the help of diagram how raceme actually looks. This is how raceme actually looks. So in resin, what happened? There is elongated peduncle. Pedicellate flower. Elongated axis की बात हो रही है. Pedicellate I have told you. Pedicellate flowers. और कैसे अरेंज होते हैं? Pedicellate flowers arrange in acropetal. Acropetal I have explained you. So typical raceme is elongated pedicle, pedicellate flower and arranged in acropetal manner. Now let's see the diagram of raceme. थोड़ा वो ऐसा बन गया है. So it is acropetal and this is peduncle. And this is growing point. Okay, so this is raceme. Example includes radish. Next is umbel. Umbel, umbrella word. Okay. So in this what happened? Pedicellate flowers arise from a single point. इसमें क्या रहता है? Pedicellate flower arise from a single point in acropetal fashion. Okay, so example is here and in this case peduncle is reduced. Now let's see the diagram of this. So younger one will be at the center. You can also write here centripetal. ठीक है, तो youngest one will be at the center. Okay, so this is umbel. The example of umbel is coriander. Coriander, you know, that is dhania. And एंड सिंपल एम्बल अनियन and compound amber coriander. Okay, let's have the diagram. This is amber. Next, discuss corimb. It is unbranched okay, short peduncle. Peduncle is here short, and it also bears a pedicellate flowers. Bears pedicellate flower, and it is in an acropetal manner. So it is unbranched, peduncle is short, and pedicellate flower means pedicellate here, and it is arranged in acropetal. Acropetal means I have told you, older will be at lower and younger will be at the top. But pedicels is long. In this case, pedicels of the lower flowers are longer. Okay, with the help of diagram I will show you. Pedicels of lower flowers are longer. Okay, so now what happened, its example is cauliflower. What I have said, pedicels of lower flowers are longer. ये जैसे ऊपर के वो शॉर्ट होते जाएंगे. तो यू विल सी सब एक प्लेन में आ गए हैं. Now you will see they all are lying in same plane. तो pedicels of lower flowers क्या है, longer है. So in this way what happens, they all come in, flowers come at the same levels. Write on, flowers come at same level. ये देखो सब same level में आ गए हैं flowers. Okay, the example of corimb is cauliflower. जैसे candy tuft. Okay, and next we will continue with spikes, spikelets, catkin and spadix.